Welcome to the DNAfit at-home DNA test kit review. Usage experience. Links to the product and more details can be found in the description below. DNAfit is a comprehensive at-home DNA test kit designed to provide personalized insights into your health, fitness, and overall lifestyle based on your genetic profile. This kit is ideal for individuals looking to optimize their wellness routines, understand their genetic predispositions, and create tailored plans for exercise, nutrition, and stress management. The process is straightforward. After ordering the kit, you complete a simple saliva swab and send it back to the lab. Once your results are ready, DNAfit provides an easy-to-navigate online platform where you can access detailed reports. The standout features include personalized fitness insights, such as your genetic potential for endurance versus power-based activities, recovery speed, and risk of injury. On the nutrition side, the test offers information on how your body metabolizes different nutrients, your sensitivity to carbohydrates and fats, and your predisposition to intolerances like gluten or lactose. A unique offering from DNAfit is its Wellness Coach feature, which connects users with experts who can help interpret results and apply them to daily life. Additionally, the platform offers meal plans and workout recommendations tailored to your DNA, making it easier to incorporate the insights into actionable steps. For those focused on stress management, DNAfit also provides information on genetic predispositions to stress and strategies to build resilience. DNAfit is perfect for fitness enthusiasts, athletes, or anyone seeking to optimize their health through a science-backed, personalized approach. However, it's worth noting that while the insights are detailed, they are best used as guidance rather than definitive health advice. Those looking for ancestry-related information may need to consider additional services, as DNAfit focuses exclusively on health and wellness. In conclusion, DNAfit is a powerful tool for those who want to take a data-driven approach to their fitness and nutrition goals. With its actionable insights, coaching options, and user-friendly platform, it empowers you to make informed decisions about your health. Check the links in the description to learn more and see if DNAfit is the right fit for your wellness journey.